So hey guys, what's up? So after guys Phoenix Wing, finally guys we have got another Phoenix Beyblade in UX version, and it's actually called Phoenix Rudder. But to be honest guys, I'm actually not that much satisfied with the name. I mean, why Phoenix Rudder? Looking at the design and also the shape, I think it would be much better if the name was Phoenix Burn, Phoenix Fire or Phoenix Flame. But it's actually called Phoenix Rudder. So yeah, I'm actually not that much satisfied with the name. But still, as a Phoenix Beyblade, the design is absolutely unique for sure. And I don't know guys, somehow guys, the design is little bit inspired from Vibrant Gale, I guess.
What?
I don't know guys, I think so. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So anyway guys, I'm not going to waste your time anymore by just talking. So let's just quickly create this Beyblade. So let's start it. Okay everyone, I'm done with the templates. Now let's also prepare the 970 ratchet. Even before preparing the ratchet 970, let me just quickly add some Fevicol glue on Phoenix Rudder template. So I know if you're new for watching this video, then you're a little bit confused that why I'm using Fevicol glue on the template. So you will gonna see that very soon. Just keep watching the video. You will see the result very soon. So yeah, just keep watching the video guys. I will show you the result later. But before that, let me just quickly rub some glue on the template. Okay, let me just keep it here. And let me just quickly add my hot iron. This will help the template to dry up quickly guys. So चलो भाई, तो 10 मिनट वेट कर लेते हैं. Okay, चलो भाई देखते हैं अपना template. Oh भाई, this is absolutely very hot for sure because of the hot iron. Anyway guys, here's the template. Look at that. Which means, अरे भाई. So here guys, here we have our Phoenix Rudder with shininess. Just look at that, looking absolutely good for sure. Let me just quickly take out all the air and also the water from the cardboards, because mostly I use ice cream boxes to create cardboard Beyblades, and ice cream boxes are mostly kept in the fridge. So that is why guys I use hot iron to take out all the waters and also the air from the cardboards. Hope you understand.
Samaria.
भाई साहब, ये गर्मी में यार बेब्लेड बनाते समय यार पसीना छूट जाता है भाई.
अच्छा.
और तुम सबको लाइक करने में इतने देर होता है, और सब्सक्राइब तो भाई छोड़ ही दो. Click on that white color subscribe button and also the bell icon to get the notification of the next videos. सही में यार, ये सर्कल बनाते समय इतना दिमाग खराब होता है मेरा.
खराब हो जाएगा. मैं माँ
साले ये सर्कल भी अच्छी तरह से हो नहीं पा रहा है मेरे से. क्या यूट्यूबर बनेगा रे तू. Here you go guys, I'm finally done cutting all the cardboard templates of Phoenix Rudder, and here's Phoenix Rudder template. So let's just quickly create this Beyblade. Let's get started. ओ ग्लू स्टिक खत्म हो गया भाई.
So just do it.
Last piece. As far as I have noticed, I think Phoenix Rudder is really a very thick Beyblade for sure. So that is why, as you can see, now the base is looking much more thicker than before. I don't want this Beyblade to look like a cardboard Beyblade from the front side. I just really want this Beyblade to look like the real one, almost pretty much like the real one from the front side guys. So that is why I'm just doing the shaping using my hot soldering iron, and it's very important to do. But if you're a beginner, if you have never used soldering iron before, so don't do this guys. It's extremely dangerous to do, otherwise you will burn your finger, which I don't want. So hope you understand. Okay everyone, I'm done doing the shaping with the layer blade, and now as you can see guys, all the cardboard pieces are lined up with the layer blade template. And now guys, from the front side, Phoenix Rudder is looking pretty much similar like the real one. Well guys, you really need to be patient while doing this, otherwise you will burn your finger. Okay, I'm also done doing the shaping on the ratchet, as you can see, and now the ratchet is looking much more.
Samaria.
Make sure to do this guys if you have super glue, otherwise your blade will lose its sharpness, I mean shape, very quickly. if you want to make your cardboard Beyblade look pretty much accurate like the real one and also durable like the real one, so make sure to use super glue. अरे हाथ पे चिपक मत जा भाई, अरे. So this Phoenix Rudder is actually a stamina type Beyblade, so it actually comes with a stamina type bit and it's actually called the glide bit, something like this. So for the bit guys, we are going to use a sketch pen like this one, so we just need the cap part, this part as you can see. अरे कहाँ चला गया भाई? And here we go guys, the glide bit is on the way, but still it's looking like an attack type bit. I know guys, the bit is not actually looking like the glide bit, but still it's a stamina type bit for sure. So I'm very sorry for that, but I hope it will actually gonna help the Bey to perform like a stamina type, because Phoenix Rudder is a stamina type Beyblade, you know. So that is why I'm just trying my best to turn this bit into a stamina type. Attach a circular cardboard piece like this one on the bit like this. Sorry guys, unfortunately I'm out of red color and Phoenix is a red color base, so I'm using pink instead. Okay, let's go, let's just quickly add it. Still guys, pink is pretty much similar to red color as you can see here. And here we go guys, finally guys, we are done creating our new Phoenix Rudder Beyblade, and here you can see guys, as you can see, here we go with the 970 ratchet and also with the glide bit. And so okay, let's just quickly assemble our new Phoenix Rudder Beyblade together. Let's go. And here we go. Yeah, such a thick Beyblade for sure. And here it is guys, look at that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about this cardboard Phoenix Rudder Beyblade, and make sure to like this video if you haven't liked yet, and make sure to subscribe.
Do it!
Guys, here's our new crafted Phoenix Rudder Beyblade. So let's do a quick spin test to see how it performs in the stadium. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. And here we go. So yeah, the stamina type Beyblade as expected guys, pretty much similar to defense type Bey as well. But I know guys, I don't know why, but it would be much better if Phoenix Rudder was a balance type Bey. At least we could see some extreme dashes, you know, in the stadium. But still the Bey is pretty stable with this stamina type glide bit. Okay, Wizard Rod versus Phoenix Rudder. Both are same stamina type Beys, and already Phoenix Rudder took this one. Okay, Drone Buster versus Phoenix Rudder. Easy one. Here we go, left spin versus side spin. What the heck, boost finish, why? Self KO. Subscribe.